Guys, look at this beautiful dash we have for the Tesla Model 3 or Tesla Model Y. We finally have a real carbon fiber dashboard replacement. And yes, it's a replacement, not just a cover that goes over the top of the old dashboard. My name is Evan, and if you're new here, welcome. Fusion Motorsports created this product after hearing about countless Tesla owners complaining about how their dashboard caps or covers were not completely covering the exposed wood or white dash trim. I know I can certainly relate to this. My last dash cover did not last but a few months before showing the white parts on my old dash. I had to remove it and revert back to my old dashboard look. Anyways, rather than focusing on making a plastic replica, they spent countless hours designing and producing the right alternative, the real thing. Each dashboard takes over 8 hours to create individually by hand, and let me say it really shows it. Made right here in the USA, Fusion Motorsports creates high quality, real carbon fiber dashboards that will completely transform and revolutionize the interior of your Tesla. They will not settle for anything less than flawless. All of these components are OEM parts, and yes, I actually mean OEM. Looking at the back of the dashboard, it actually has the Tesla logo stamped in. The only part that is not OEM is the handcrafted, glossy, glass-like real carbon fiber trim, which in my opinion looks OEM. Nowhere else on the market can you find a full, authentic dashboard replacement that comes with a lifetime warranty. This replacement will not glare in the sun, it will not lose its shiny finish regardless of the weather conditions. Again, this is not just for the carbon fiber piece, it's the entire dash. What you see here is what you get, the entire carbon fiber dashboard and the frame that fits both the Tesla Model 3 and Tesla Model Y. Installing this entire dashboard is not as difficult as you may think. It actually took me less than 5 minutes. The first thing you're going to want to do is grab a plastic pry tool and remove both the driver and passenger side covers just below the dashboard. After both of these panels are removed, set them to the side, and next we're going to remove the original dashboard by gently pulling upwards towards the windshield. It works best by starting in small sections, placing one hand on the gray part and the other below the silver trim under the dash. You will hear the clips releasing from their clamps as you gently tug the dashboard upward. Now, if you're finding this video helpful thus far, consider clicking that like button below so more Tesla owners can find this. Also subscribe to see more Tesla content here in the future. Once you have the right side loose, go ahead and repeat the same process on the driver's side. One thing I like to point out here is that if your Tesla was assembled after April 10th, 2021, you will have the second generation dashboard. Any Model 3 or Model Y assembled before this date will have the first generation. As you can see, this side end cap popped off when I was trying to release the final clips on the driver's side. Nothing is broken, and this may happen. The side clip can be reattached after removal by clipping it back into the holes. Looking at the difference between the first and second generation is that the side end caps are now permanently affixed in Gen 2. Regardless of your Tesla assembly date, the Gen 2 dashboard will fit all production years. Both generations are interchangeable. Now, you can certainly detach both end caps if you have a Gen 1 dashboard before removal if you would like an easier detachment process. In my case, the passenger side end cap never came off when I removed the old dash. I found it more difficult trying to remove the side end caps and therefore just left them in place. You could try this tactic from Fusion Motorsports video by wrapping a tool with a cloth and hitting them off. Either way, use whichever method works best for you. After your old dashboard is removed, you may be asking yourself, what am I going to do with this after I have my new dashboard installed? Well, Fusion Motorsports would be happy to buy your old dashboard. When going through their checkout on their website, select the product rebate box and receive $100 back after they receive your old Tesla dashboard. A prepaid shipping label will be included if you choose this option. It does not matter whether you have the white or wood dashboard. Taking the new dashboard and placing it over the base of your dash, you'll notice these plastic clips that hang downward and also the silver metal clips on the base of your dashboard. Align these clips with the holes on both sides. Both ends of the dashboard should line up flush with the end of the dash frame. Also, the top of the dashboard, as you see here, will need to be under the black top panel all the way up against the black foam. If this is all aligned and placed correctly, you should be able to attach the dashboard to the bottom clips by pushing or patting down the dashboard into place. Of course, when I say patting, I mean using your fist to gently attach the clips into place. You will hear the dashboard clicking back into place. The silver line should be flush with the base about a centimeter or two off the glove box. After you have all the clips attached, simply reinstall the triangular side panels and you are done. You can get your real carbon fiber dashboard by checking out the link in the description or comment section below. Here are some more views of the beautiful piece both indoors and out. If you have any more questions or any additional tips on the installation process, let me know in the comments below and I promise to respond back. Until the next video all, stay safe.